You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names, the name of this company founded in Tbilisi, Georgia, not the Georgia, the state of the United States, Georgia, the country, made in Italy. Apparently, the brand says that you can pronounce it either Mach and Mach. That would be, I believe, the Georgian pronunciation, so original pronunciation. So if you say Mach and Mach, you can say, yes, that's correct, because that's the original pronunciation from Georgia. Now, in English, most people say Mach and Mach. Therefore, the company, I think, is happy for people to say Mach and Mach, because that sounds more natural in English. So, Mach and Mach brand, or Mach and Mach shoes. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.